What if I told you there's a secret HLOOKUP power-up that most people didn't know exists? It allows you to unlock data from not just one, but two completely separate files, instantly transforming your data management. Get ready to discover how to merge and extract information with unprecedented speed and accuracy, giving you a serious edge in any data task. As I have explained in previous videos, the HLOOKUP function stands for horizontal lookup, as I recently made a video about HLOOKUP function for one file only, and the link is in the description. So let's start. We start by getting into our file and then writing the formula as follows: equals HLOOKUP, and then opening bracket, and then the lookup value, and then comma, and then the table array, and then a comma, and then the number of the column, which is 2, as they start from number 1, then type false. Put in mind that the difference between true or false, that true means we want an approximate value and false means that we want the exact value. We continue the same process exactly for all the other cells except changing the row number, as we are working with different rows. As you can see, the formula is working very well. Let's copy the formula in the 3 columns. And here we are. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.